So hey guys, this is Rank and I'm Rajan. So as you can see, we are going to study constructions, which is a very important lesson for maths of 9th standard. Now first construction that we are going to learn is construct an angle, a triangle ABC where AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter, AB is the base, BC plus CA or AC is equal to 8.4 centimeter and angle B is equal to 60 degrees. So what is given here is the base AB, the sum of the other two sides, and the base and one of the base angles is given. So let's start constructing this. First let me set up my compass. First we'll begin by constructing the base. So we need to measure 5.8 degrees here. Now we are going to mark this as AB, since AB is equal to 5.8 centimeters. Now what we are going to do is construct angle B, that is 60 degrees. So for that we are going to use a compass. We need to have the center at B and draw an arc like this. Then with center here at this point, we must cut an arc here, and when we join this point and B, we get 60 degrees. So for that we need to join it first. This. We need to extend this line to X. Now we need to see this. BC plus AC is equal to 8.4 centimeter. It shows it there. So we need to measure 8.4 centimeter on the scale and cut an arc on this line. So we'll measure 8.4 centimeters and we are going to cut an arc like this here, and then we are going to label that as D. This is our point D and this is 60 degrees. Now we need to join AD. Once we join AD, we need to construct a perpendicular bisector for AD. Now wherever this perpendicular bisector meets line BD, that is your point C. And then you need to join AC, and there you have it. The triangle A, B and C, ABC is the required triangle. Now this is a kind of construction where the base is given, the base angle is given, one of the base angles, but the difference of the two other sides is given, that is 2.5 centimeters. So there are actually two cases to this kind of construction. First is AC is larger than BC, so that is why AC comes first here. So now we are going to construct this kind of triangle. First, obviously, we need to draw the base. AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and we are going to label this as AB as 5 centimeter. Now we need to construct angle A as 30 degrees. So you need to first construct 60 degrees, and this is 60 degrees, but guys, we need 30 degrees. So we need to bisect this angle. Now guys, this is 30 degrees, so by joining point A and this point here, and we need to label that as X, as we had done in the previous construction. Now guys, AC minus BC is equal to 2.5 centimeters. So on ray AX, we need to take 2.5 centimeters. We need to cut an arc over here. 2.5 centimeters, and label this point as D, and we must join BD. So after this we need to construct a perpendicular bisector of BD. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment BD. So now as you can see that this perpendicular bisector bisects ray AX at a point, and that is our point C, guys. And when we join BC, we get our required triangle ABC. So this is the first case of this kind of construction. So let's move on to case 2 now. So in case 2 we have BC greater than AC. So the question is, construct a triangle ABC. So BC minus AC is 1.6 centimeter, and the base AB is 5.6 centimeter, and one of the base angles, that is angle A, is 45 degrees. So to construct this, we are obviously going to draw the base first, as we do it for all of, as we did it for all other constructions. And mark these 2 points as A, B. This is 5.6 centimeter, and now at point A we need to construct angle 45 degrees, that is 45 degrees we need to bisect 90 degrees. So for constructing 90 degrees, we need to bisect angle, you need to bisect 60 degrees and 120 degrees. This is 90 degrees, but we don't want 90 degrees, we need 45 degrees. So we need to bisect 90 degrees. We need to extend it to X. Now guys, as you can see, BC is greater than AC, and BC minus AC is 1.6 centimeter. So what we do in this case is that we extend ray AX to the other side by 1.6 centimeters, and then we need to measure out 1.6 centimeters. You can either do it with a compass or you can do it with scale too. So I prefer using the scale, because doing with the compass is kind of complicated. So we mark 1.6 centimeter here, and we mark this point here as D. Now we join BD. We join BD like this, and now we need to make or construct a perpendicular bisector of BD. This is the perpendicular bisector of BD, and wherever this perpendicular bisector bisects ray AX, that is our point C. And obviously now when we join BC, we get our required triangle, that is ABC. This is when the perimeter is given and two base angles are given. So first let's read the question. Construct a triangle ABC whose perimeter is equal to 14 centimeter. This is the perimeter given, and the two base angles, angle A and angle B, that is 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. So first what we need to do is look at the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 14 degrees. So we need to make a line that is 14 degrees long like this, and label it PQ. Then what we need to do is at P construct angle 45 degrees. After constructing angle P, constructing 45 degrees, we need to again bisect 45 degrees, make a line like this, and we need to extend this line here. I guess that will be enough, or just for safety we'll just extend it a bit more. Now at angle Q we construct actually 30 degrees, that is the half of angle B, that is 60 degrees. So after we have got 30 degrees, we mark this intersection point here, C. So as you can guess that this is going to be our point C here. Now what we do is find the perpendicular bisector of CP, and this point where the perpendicular bisector bisects PQ, we name that as A. Now we need to find the perpendicular bisector of CQ, and wherever this perpendicular bisector meets PQ, that is our point B. So now you might have already guessed that by joining AC and AB, we get a required triangle, that is triangle ABC. So guys, that's it for today, and hope you like this video. So if you like this video and you want more of these kind of videos and other wine videos or something, so guys, don't forget to leave a like on this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be cool, enjoy yourself with rank.